Welcome to Shalom Meadows. If you're new here, welcome. Hey, if you've been here, good to see you again. I can't see you, you see me. But I just want to give you a little bit different of a video today. It's like way different than usual. But before I get to that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell so you know when we got new videos coming out. If you don't know what we're doing here, we're flipping this old rundown office trailer building from the 60s, 70s into our home. If you want to see where we're at right now, go all the way back to video 1 and watch all the way up till now, and you'll see where we're at. But the difference of the video today is that I'm telling you some plans, okay? And the whole situation of why I'm telling you plans right now is because things have come about that's kind of changed our thought process, our schedules, our thought process of what we're going to do. The many things. It's like throwing us for a whirl. Like, woo. It's throwing us for a whirl. So, not saying that it's going to keep us from here, but, you know, our timing's going to be a little bit different. Not the videos. Videos still going to be every Monday and Wednesday. Don't forget about that. But, and don't forget to check us out at Shalom Meadows on TikTok. Still gonna have videos there too. We try to do a video every day except for Shabbat. Shabbat is a time for rest. It's on Saturdays, and that's time for rest. We work 6 days, rest on the 7th. I've been here so much and for so long now that I write my notes on 2x4s. So I wanted to look at here and give you some things of what we're going to be doing. Goals for the rest of this month. And I don't want to make it look like I'm just looking at notes and I'm not paying y'all no mind because I can't see you. Oh, now I can. Okay, I want to make sure that you can see me and that I am paying you close attention because I want to see down in the comments, drop down in the comments, you know, things that you have for us, no matter what it is. You know, we just want to hear from you guys. So the goals for August is we're going to get the ceiling, like in the previous videos, we're going to continue to trim the ceiling, finish caulking it, and also prep it for paint. So, you know, we finally get all this up. You know, we got to paint it. Eventually we're going to put light fixtures in, or what's them LED light fixtures? Is what you're saying? We did have
pecan lights.
Pecan lights. Pecan. Can lights. I thought we was going to put fans up, but we're going to put a fan in one place, and we're going to put, I guess, 3 can lights. But we're going to get the bathroom, supposedly, maybe. We don't know. We'll see. Get the bathroom caulked and ready for trim. So, for the plan for September is, you know, maybe not the whole month of September. Hopefully we get this done, fly in, fly out. You know, maybe like a mama going to the baby. I gotta do the bathroom again. I mean, if it wasn't one thing, it'd be another. It's always leaking. What we're doing with the bathroom is we're going to get it caulked and ready for trim. Hopefully we can do all that. And it's already been painted and everything, but you know, we're eventually going to have to probably take down our little towel, what do you call it, towelette hooks or whatever you want to call them. Towelette. No, what do you get a little napkin and put it on there. Towelette. No, little towel holders. And I don't want to just stand in one spot. I mean, you know, let's you know, let's dance. Let's get down. Let's get down to the note music. You know what I'm saying? But what I'm saying is, in September, the plan for September, you know, that was the rest of August, because you know we're heading to the end of August. So I know it's crazy, y'all. This year is flying by. This year went by faster than a 2-year-old growing like a weed. So what does that mean? You figure it out. What was 2 years ago? But what I was saying is, so paint these walls. You know, we wrote all over them. We're gonna get. I can't spoke. We gonna get the kids over here more than likely to help us do that. But before, we're gonna let them draw on the wall. That's not theirs. That's us. I know, little kids at heart. I know. But I was like, hey, we can just draw on this wall. You know what I'm saying? Go there, you. No, we can just draw on this wall because we're gonna end up painting it anyway. And I've never like actually, except when you're a kid and you draw on the wall and your parents kind of snap at you. I love you, Mom and Dad. Plan is, we done this, so we're gonna get the kids over because they've never really got to do stuff like that. So let them say, hey, you draw on this wall one time. We paint it, let them have a real good fun time, Paint these walls, put trim on the kitchen backsplash walls. If you don't know what that looks like, go back to previous videos and you'll see. The last video is, you'll see my wife snapping her fingers and, got the window painted and wood coated or whatever it is. Not wood coated. What is it? The little pink stuff that it makes it look like one piece. Mm-hmm. And you can probably see the lines. We're gonna put trim on it. I don't know when that's gonna be. It might be during the time whenever we get more trim. So we have to get more trim as well for the ceiling. So regardless, the plan is for it to be in September. That's the plan. So we're going to prep for paint. I had to flip my note over. So we gotta get more. We gotta get insulation. We gotta get some insulation over here. I'm here now. I'm cold and I'm hot at the same time. Where's this at? It's at the border of Australia and Japan. What does? But we gotta get the insulation. We put like new areas where we kind of stuff a little insulation here, a little insulation there. Where we made a frame for the windows. We want to absolutely, positively make sure that there is no leaks before we complete a lot of this stuff. Okay, because it would be horrible to put the walls up. Okay, get the insulation in. Flip my note back over again. Sorry, little dust there. Behold, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna prep that for paint whenever we get the insulation in, put the walls back up there. So I'm assuming we're gonna have to get more drywall. We got a little bit. We got little pieces. We got medium-sized pieces. We got pieces. So then we're going to mud and tape those walls. Of course, we're gonna mud and tape them. And so, like I said, so we can make sure that they're ready for paint, and what we learned, I wish we knew this for the rest of the house, but we didn't. And boy, can we see it. Oh my gosh, can we see it. Or as my wife says, oh my gosh. What I was saying, sorry, I got carried away. And remember, ADHD, but... Oh yeah, see what I mean? Look at her. Walls. No, not the walls. The mud, the taping and the mud. We learned that you tape mud, let it dry, sand down, mud, sand down, instead of just clocking it on there. Just I want to say this, okay? I have an issue with this, okay? It drives me nuts, okay? When I'm not sanding, well, I don't like sanding, but hey, you got to sometimes. I love sanding. I should, because my wife's name's Sandra. But what I'm saying is, it drives me nuts whenever I'm taping and mudding because I can see the tape, so I just clock it on there. The more layers you do, the more sanding, the more layers, the more sanding, the smoother and the less you will see the tape. Okay, most people, I wouldn't say most people, but a lot of people that are new builders or new renovators or new flippers, you look at their videos or you go to their homes, you might still see the tape, stuff like that. And that's okay. It's okay because we're new at this stuff. and at least we are taking the time and the will to want to do it. You know, there's a lot of times, I'll be honest with you guys, I just want to be honest, there's a lot of times you won't want to do it. But to make it your home, you have to do it. In your mind, you're like, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this today. I don't want to do it at all. Man. I mean, even so much so that you might even want to argue, but do not do that. Do not argue. Love one another. It's like that. It's like the song I was thinking of. Love one another. Love one another. But it's a Christian song, not anything else. But what I was saying is, we are to love one another. We're to work on the house together. And if one or the other cannot do anything, help each other. And like I said, it's having the willpower to do it, the love for your family to do it, because that's what keeps me rolling. Okay, that's what makes me want to continue to do it day after day. Is I love my family, and I want to have a home with my family. And I'm sorry if I'm getting a little emotional, you know, but it's true. There's many days I don't want to do it. But what makes me do it is because I want my family to be happy. Okay? So think about that. If you're thinking right now that, well, I want to do this, but I don't want to do this. I want to do this, but I don't want to do this. If you have a family, if you're thinking about having a family, even if it's just for yourself, think you are your family. So make yourself a home. And if you can't do something, call up somebody. Look it up on YouTube. Who knows? It might be a little short on TikTok. It might be something on Instagram. It might be something on Snapchat. Something, I don't know. I don't look at all that stuff. But there might be something, you know, in all areas that you can look up. You can probably just click it in, you know, like how to use a hammer at Shalom Meadows. Or how to use a drill at Shalom Meadows. TikTok. But, you know, I'm not saying just me. I'm just saying, you know, or how to write a note on a 2x4. But no, but when I get back to being serious, if it's something that you really want to know, then you can look it up or you can read about it. We had to make mistakes first to get where we're at. I'm not saying we won't keep making mistakes, but Lord willing, we don't. But that's some plans for y'all right now, and I just wanted to give you a reminder, you know, on the, you know, the taping part. This one here, I don't like. I don't think it's all up to the hype. Like I said, if you got any questions for us, if there's anything that we said that you want to know about, if there's anything that, I mean, that's on your mind, just drop it down in the comments, and we're looking for those comments, y'all, and we'll try to answer them to the best of our ability. And don't forget to throw that thumbs up, let the algorithm know that this video is good, and don't forget to subscribe, share, click that notification bell, because we got videos coming out every Monday and Wednesday. So if you just put a little bit of mud, you measure it out, like you probably see me in videos, you know. No, you can actually get a measuring tape, measure it out, measure it, you know, just to make sure. And you put it up there and you put a little bit of mud on, it'll stay right there, and that's good. I just wanted to do that because I was looking at it. So, as a recap, get the bathroom ready for caulk. Get the bathroom ready for caulk. Get this wall ready for paint. Get the ceiling caulked and trimmed and ready for paint. Get the insulation in and walls up and mud and tape and paint those walls. So remember, y'all, like I said, I want to say this one more time. Even if you don't feel like doing something, think about your loved ones. Shalom, y'all. Am I level? Oh yeah, that's right. I'm short.